Hey guys, welcome to Quick DIY. This time we are making a planter box with vertical garden. I saw something like this on eBay and just thought of making one by myself. So this is one of those projects which you can do it by yourself. It is in theory on paper as well, and as well as on when you get to do it. There are some unexpected things, but nothing too drastic. So, but at the end result is pretty good. I mean, I'm happy with the color and everything. I can't say same for my partner, but anyway. Yeah, so end result is pretty good. I am happy with it and proud that I built it myself. You don't get a vertical garden attached planter box like this anywhere, and I didn't want it to go anything on the fences or hanging anywhere else or the metal plating or anything else. This is what I wanted. So the only way to do it is just do it yourself, because the one on I saw on eBay, looks pretty expensive to me and not that good built, and that's the only one. I couldn't find one anywhere else. So if this is something you're after, this is something you're looking to build, this is the video for you. Or if you get inspired from this and make something even better, I just achieved my goal then. Well, thank you for watching, and if you like, subscribe for more videos like this. I don't post more often, but I do have a lot of things coming up and it's in process. So when I get a chance, I will get to it and make videos about it. Alright guys, let me know how I did, and be safe. Enjoy the rest of the video.